Today we learn how to register for BCS certification exam. So first you need to go to browser, then search VUE/BCS. Then click on first website here. After that, a new page will be open. Then you need to click on login button. Here you need to enter username, then password, then sign in. After that, never view exam. Here you need to search whichever exam you want to give. I am giving ISTQBD Certified Test Foundation Level 4.0. Then read all this policy carefully. From here you need to book your center, whichever is nearby you. You can manually search here. I am searching Hinjawadi. Then search. The nearby centers are shown there. Softech Cloud. Then select date from here. Explore more time. From here you can book your slot, whichever is available. Then book this appointment. Proceed. After that, payment method. Here voucher. We provide all types of voucher. If you want any voucher, technical or non-technical, you can directly comment on this video. Here voucher code. Here you need to carefully check your exam name, time, date, location, everything. You are booked. Your exam booking is done. If you like this video, you can subscribe our channel for more these types of video.